Alright, here's my video on a 1998 Monte Carlo headlight assembly replacement. There's not a lot of videos out here, so I figured I'd share. First thing you'll have to do is remove this little bugger. Over here, it's got a little Phillips. Over here is just a pop cap. Use a body trim removal tool. Okay, I didn't have a tool, but I do got a screwdriver. Okay, I got it out. That's all it is. I had to ruin it to get it out because I did not have the right tool. Well, that should go back in. I would suggest buying a new one. Next, only on the passenger side is this going to have this. So this side doesn't have it. I've already replaced this side. This side just come off. Just like that. Got a little clip on there. Put it right back there. And then you got these little clips right here. One right here. And one down under there. That one was loose. I just want to put them in a good spot. That's not a good spot. That'll roll off. A spot like right in there would work. Just like that. Right there. And put that back over there. Alright. Now that's off. You want to peel this back. Pull it up. I'm just going to want to slide out that way. And to lift this up at the same time. Alright. Once you get out this far, so it's got a slot right back there. Pull that out like that. You gotta watch them little keys right there. Then with these, got these little clips. Blinker light. Got this, press this in right here. Press that in and turn it that way. That should just come out. Alright. Now I'm going to show you how to adjust them. Now, mine came already with halogen bulbs. This is the new one. See how shiny it is. And then the old one. So, what I used is just a little piece of block. I figured out I have a tape measure, so I'm going to go get that. Now you want to measure on two common spots on it. You want to start, first place to probably start is right here. What I mean by common is common place on both the new one and the old one. This flat piece is going to be where that flat piece is right there. It's going to be parallel with the screw. Nope, 2 1/4 inches. Alright. Now this chrome's pretty messed up. Almost there. Let's take this off. As you come out a little bit, so you want to turn the screw in. Yep, where I need it. Alright, now it's time to put it in. Alright, now here's where it gets a little tricky. You want to be paying attention to this space right here and right over here. If you're worried about if you're replacing panels and all that and alignment, very important to know how to do that, to know what you're looking for. But if that's not your concern, then don't worry about it. So we're putting these bolts back in. They're very tricky trying to find the threads. There we go. You may feel like you're cross-threading it, but you're not. It's really tough to get in. Now the key is here to make sure that little clip is back in that spot. That's what I was having trouble with. And then you see the screw sitting in there. And don't want to tighten these all the way up yet. You still got to worry about them over here. So with this, I can't push that back down right now, so I have to slide it on over, and then that's way up. Alright, they're all put in. There's still a gap in that one, but I couldn't really fix it. I'll have to do some more tweaking with it, and if I find anything else, I'll put it on here. But here it is. It's still open a little bit. Yeah, they're just off a little bit. I'm about to put it up to a wall and align them. I'm gonna drive it on the road, make sure they're pointed down so they're not blinding anybody, and then should be finished. Alright, thanks for watching. I really wish that I could show you how to align your headlights, but I am not an expert. There are plenty of videos out there for that. And I could not align mine correctly because the fender was pushing in on the bumper, which was pushing up on the headlight. So yeah, I'm probably still blinding people. So until I get that fender fixed, yeah, I'll have to do my alignment after I get the fender fixed.